I hope you enjoy my unboxing today, and I'm very excited. I cannot wait. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my God, it seems like it's been forever. I miss you guys, and thank you so much for coming back and clicking on this video. Today, I'm going to reveal two items from Mona that I got for Valentine's Day. This is supposed to be a triple Valentine unboxing, but the last item I got, they said it's been delivered and I didn't get the package, so I'm gonna check on it next week and I will prepare another unboxing for you when I receive them. I think that item deserves its own unboxing because it's very special, and yes, I cannot wait to reveal that. I hope it arrives safely. I really enjoy going to South Coast Plaza, and I thank Christine, Mimi, San, and all the crew there. And also, I thank you so much, Erica, for introducing me to Moynat when I was in Paris. Since then, I have grown my love for the brand. And the House of Moynat, I think, is the best brand I've ever seen in my life. All eyes on Moynat for me right now. I really love the brand. And yes, I hope that I will enjoy it for a long, long time. Moynat has been a very exciting brand. And I heard that they will have new collections coming up this month or next month in April, so I will look out for that as well. I will try my very best to do a vlog for you so I can take you with me. All right, so I got this little Chinese red envelopes for the new year. This year is the year of the ox. This is a good luck envelopes. I hope that this year is going to be very good. So first, let's see what I have in this bag. Yeah, so it comes with the receipt. And I got this from our New Year shopping blog at the store. So I know I've been there many times, so I get a lot of this from them, and it's so exciting. I love all these little coins, the gold coins, chocolate. They're so delicious. Thank you, Christine, for giving us really good goodies when we were there. We really enjoyed hanging out with you. So yes, now I'm gonna start with this one. Oh my gosh, this is quite exciting. It's just so Valentine's, full of love. I try not to break the ribbon because I'd like to keep them together even if I don't put it back in the same place. Are you ready? Oh my God, this is so exciting. It's just so Valentine's. Oh Jesus. Oh my gosh. Ooh, very nice. Very cool. I'm very excited. Let's see. And so I have this here. It comes with a sticker and Mona sticker, and also I want to preserve the paper bag and pull it out of here. And chan, I'm so excited. Here she is. Wow, how cute, isn't she? Very cute. Oh wow. I'm going to post a picture on Instagram, and if you've seen my other blog video, you will see that I featured this when we were at the store. After filming this, I'm gonna go to South Coast Plaza and ask them to stamp this for me. So let's see. And this goes perfectly with the bag I got. Can you guess which bag I picked? Oh my God, if you are on my Instagram, you probably have an idea because I have been featuring this bag so much, and I've already unboxed it and took pictures and showed it to my besties. I can't wait. So I just received this the other day, and this is a late Valentine unboxing, and but it's very special. So oops, it comes with the receipt and the authenticity card. So it comes with this little bag for the strap, And so let's open. I'm gonna show the strap first for a suspense. All right, let's start. Here she is, beautiful. This is a cream colored strap, so you can already guess that the bag is also in cream. And yes, it is in palladium hardware, and palladium is actually more expensive than gold now. Yes, it's very special. And so, oh my god, are you ready? I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, let's reveal this cutie. I'm very excited. And chan chan, here she is, the beautiful Réjane bag. So if you are a bag collector, this is a must because this has a lot of history into this bag. It's the very first bag in the 1900s, I think 1903 or 1905, that was named after the celebrity Réjane, Gabrielle Réjane. And yes, this is her bag. Actually, this is the modern version that was created by Ramesh, the previous creative director for Mona. And yeah, it is very, very beautiful in the cream. And yeah, she's so stunning. This is the biggest size, 30. And yes, she is so, so stunning. I really love it. Now I have attached my new bag charm. It's so adorable, and it is made of a very luxurious leather. And this is made in France. A very beautiful, so stunning. And it is, to open it is just to click it in here, and then it opens the inside of the bag right there. So right here, very nice. Stamping in here, Mona. And to close this bag, actually, you just have to like click it from the top. So alright, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me again. I'm going to South Coast Plaza and I'm gonna have my new bag charm hat stamp, so come with me.